Hello, soulful foodies. Now, I'm sure that I've told you before, I just love plantains. Now, depending on where you're from, you may call them plantains or plantains. Either way, I love them. They're a staple in my AIP kitchen. Now, one of the ways that I've been cooking them lately is as a french fry. These are the perfect texture, and I prefer them over sweet potato fries and green banana fries. Let me know if you try this and what you think. And how do you pronounce this awesome AIP compliant ingredient? Are you team plantain or team plantain? It honestly doesn't matter to me as long as it's on my plate. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Soulful AIP.